I'm coming in hot.
Everyone, this is Pearl from Sheppard&SheppardEntertainment coming to you today with a great DIY. I am painting my kitchen, but I dropped paint on the floor, and I am going to show you a great tip on how to remove paint from the floor. This is exterior paint. You do know you're not supposed to paint exterior paint inside, but it's your own chance. You take a chance like I did. I have my door that's open, so I am well ventilated. So if you look on the floor, you see the paint. What you need, your paper towel, believe it or not, fingernail polish removed, acetone. All you have to do, put the fingernail polish on the paper towel, okay? Put the wet side down. Instead of using the elbow grease, you're going to use some knee grease. And just rub, rub, rub. Knee grease. Rub. You gotta put the metal, the pedal to the metal, like they say when you're driving. You gotta move and rub. Great exercise for the leg. You know, you're killing two birds with one stone right here. So, see how clean this paint is up with a paper towel and fingernail polish removed. I dropped the towel. I'll get it later. Make sure you have the acetone, because I think the acetone is the chemical that is removing the paint. Thank you. Don't forget to go to Sheppard&SheppardEntertainment and subscribe. Thank you. Be back with another DIY.